Hello and welcome to the UPSC Quick Revision series. Today, we will explore one of the most powerful and destructive forces of nature, tropical cyclones. These are intense, low-pressure systems that develop over warm tropical oceans, and they are among the most powerful weather phenomena, transferring vast amounts of energy and causing widespread devastation in coastal areas. In this session, we will understand how tropical cyclones form, their structure, and their significance in the Indian context. To form a tropical cyclone, several favorable conditions are needed. First, the sea surface temperature must exceed 27 degrees Celsius, which supplies warm, moist air. Second, the Coriolis force is essential to initiate the cyclonic rotation, and this is why cyclones do not form between 0 degree to 5 degree latitude near the equator. Third, low vertical wind shear ensures that wind speed and direction do not vary too much with height, thereby preventing the cyclone structure from breaking apart. Finally, a pre-existing low-pressure area and upper-level divergence help strengthen the system by allowing air to rise and spread outward at higher altitudes. A mature cyclone has three distinct structural components. At the center lies the eye, a calm, cloud-free zone about 10 to 30 km wide where air subsides. Surrounding it is the eyewall, the most dangerous part of the cyclone with the strongest winds and heaviest rainfall. Outside the eyewall are the spiral rain bands, long, curved bands of the clouds, and rain that spiral inward towards the center, producing intermittent downpours. Cyclones are destructive for three main reasons. First, strong winds uproot trees, power lines, and infrastructure. Second, torrential rains cause severe flooding within hours. And third, the most deadly is the storm surge, an abnormal rise in sea level caused by the high winds and low pressure, pushing seawater inland and submerging coastal areas. You must have heard names like Amphan, Nisarg, Monta, or Taute. Cyclones are named by regional meteorological centers under the supervision of the World Meteorological Organization, that is WMO. For the North Indian Ocean, 13 member countries including India, Bangladesh, and Iran contribute names in rotation. Globally, they are known by different names: hurricanes in the Atlantic, typhoons in the Northwest Pacific, and cyclones in the Indian and South Pacific Oceans. In Western Australia, they are called Willy Willies. For UPSC Prelims, focus on the conditions for cyclone formation and naming conventions such as hurricane, typhoon, and others. Also, note IMD's color-coded alerts, yellow, orange, and red. For mains, emphasize disaster management aspects such as NDMA guidelines, NDRF's role, and early warning systems. Additionally, the link between climate change and increasing cyclone intensity and frequency, especially in the Arabian Sea, is a key analytical theme. Now, let's test your understanding with these practice questions on your screen. Share our answers in the comments and tell us which topic you would like us to cover next. Until then, keep learning with Vision IAS Quick Revision series.